Here we're going to look at writing things in interval notation from what's called set builder. So here they're saying x, and they're saying x such that they're giving us some constraints on x. So they say x has to be bigger than 0 but smaller than or equal to 7. So on the number line, if you're drawing freehand, your number lines don't have to be perfectly to scale or anything, just put the numbers you need. So on a number line, think, what does this look like? Well, x can be anything bigger than 0, but it can't include 0, so I use an open circle. To show that it could be equal to 7, I'll use a closed circle. And then the open and closed circles go exactly along with interval notation. A parenthesis means something isn't included, and a bracket means that a number is included, right? It actually can be 7 where you can't have 0. You could get really close to 0, like 0.00001, or even smaller than that. And so what you're saying in interval notation, this is a shorthand for saying I want all the numbers from 0, not including 0, up to 7. So you always have to go small number up to the big number. All right, let's try another one that maybe is an open-ended set. So let's say they give us x such that x is less than -3. So I want a number line. We'll say here's 0 and here's -3. So where are all the numbers that are smaller than -3? So not including, right? It's not less than or equal to. So open circle. And I go this way. Now if I keep going forever, what is that? Well, if I keep going forever this way, it's infinity, right? The biggest number. Well, if I keep getting smaller and smaller and smaller, we're going towards negative infinity, the smallest possible number. You can just keep going and going and going. And so if I'm going to write interval notation, I'm saying I'm going from the smallest possible number and then up to 3. And neither one of them are included. In fact, on infinity, you always use a parenthesis. Kind of the idea that if you can't really get to that number because it keeps going forever, it doesn't make sense to say it's included with a bracket. So it's always parentheses on those. Let's just say again the difference between brackets and parentheses. If this said less than or equal to, it'd be the exact same answer except this is filled in, and then this would be a bracket. And we have the smallest number up to -3.